Collins, market leader, Moomin Mortgage. Hey, I get a lot of questions about seller credits or the seller crediting money towards the buyer's closing costs. How does that work? Well, first, the seller doesn't pay your closing costs because they like you. You got to understand that it's negotiated in the purchase price of the home. So you and your agent are going to negotiate with the agent and the seller of the property if that seller is going to pay for some of your closing costs. Now, again, sometimes that's going to be taken off the price of the home. So if you're offering $300,000 and you're asking for the seller to pay for $5,000 of your closing costs, you might need to write an offer at $305 to make it a competitive offer. We can go into those numbers more in detail, but just understand that you can actually ask the seller to pay the closing costs of your purchase to help you qualify if you don't have all the funds needed to be able to close. Understand that if you're in a multiple offer situation or you're in a very competitive market, if you're writing an offer asking for the seller to pay your closing costs and other people are writing that offer and not asking, your offer may not be as equitable. So keep that in mind. But please reach out with any questions. Keith Collins, market leader, Moomin Mortgage. Have a blessed day.